asunto-osakeyhtiö Kauniaisten Domus Aureus.
It's also very nice today. Oh, you can do it on purpose too. It's the 23rd of January 2024. This is also Ratapolku, Barnstegen. One stekisei. I have filmed the stekisei be here before. The best is progress of 325 years. And this was finished in 1997 with beautiful architecture, postmodern, and it's purple doors. I love them.
Same here.
Built in 1996 with 4 floors and Ratapolku. December 686 Hawaii-kieltä here in Kauniainen, Grankulla, Helsinki sports region, modernized Finland. Will be swagger this year in 2024. Let's get to the runs here. Turn on the lights again.
Yeah.
Let's switch them on. Very beautiful photos.
Yeah.
I love that color.
Same. Inspected by Kiva, inspected, maintained by Kone.
Also, Kone novel elevators are not so common in Finland.
Yeah. That's